Just one habit at a time, one small action can go from 0 to 100 days overnight. Earlier, I used to make huge plans. Discipline didn't work for me because I was doing it wrong. Everyone talks about discipline like it's a superpower, super magical power, and everything will go good after you become disciplined. But honestly, discipline never worked for me. Seriously, I thought that something is wrong in me. That's why I am not able to do that, because everybody in this world is so disciplined and doing these things so good, so good. Then I thought, why I am not able to do that? But the truth is, discipline didn't work for me because I was doing it wrong. And maybe if you are not disciplined, then you might have also done it wrong. Discipline finally changed for me when I started to do this one thing. I stopped trying to fix my whole life in one go and started to focus on one small habit at a time. Earlier, I used to make huge plans: wake up early, study for hours, work out, journal, meditate, be productive, and everything at the same time, all in the same week. Also, everything in the same time, and everything in the same week, everything I have to do in every day, and be that productive. Okay, obviously I failed, and these were the things I was doing this the wrong way at my home, because nobody can go from 0 to 100 days overnight. So the moment I made it simple, it truly becomes simple for me. I picked one tiny habit for myself, and then I started doing that thing very small. Means, if for example, if I would say that if I want to exercise, okay, if I want to exercise, then I would really take out time that I will only do two push-ups, maybe I will only do two push-ups, or I will do only two squats. Not that I have to make a really big schedule of my workout and do everything what I really have to do and all. I don't have to do that for sure, because when I did that at my home, I was really not doing. It was like, oh yeah, why I will do that? Means I don't want to do this and that. It seems like that. But then when I picked small habit, then it really changed me a lot. And then when you pick that small habit and take out time for yourself, like only 10 to 15 minutes maybe, then it becomes the part of your schedule. And then there is a saying that you have to always build systems, not goals. So always build those small systems that help you to reach that goal, and then only you will reach that goal. When I focused on that one thing, I stopped overwhelming myself. If I couldn't do that perfectly, then I shouldn't do that. I stopped telling those things to myself. Like earlier, I really thought, no, I have to be perfect in that, then only I would do that. No, I would not do that, because no, I don't have time for myself. But no, I picked that habit and I really repeated those until that thing really didn't became a part of my schedule. I stopped giving up. I was really not giving up for anything. Like, I really thought that even if I am doing this much, I am doing, but if I'm not doing this much also, then I'm not doing anything. That's of no use. But I have to really do this much also, then also my efforts are getting counted. I actually started enjoying the process. I seriously started to enjoy the process, and I was into the process. I was like, no, if I'm doing this thing, then it's okay. I don't have to expect the results in one day only. Nothing becomes perfect in one day. So I don't have to always be into that thing that I have to always expect that, no, if I'm doing this thing, I will get this thing. Because everybody, the most successful people also say these things: when you stop expecting the outcome more, you give your input more. It is that kind of only, because when you always expect, you always consume more rather than taking action more. But the truth is, you have to take action more than you consume. rather than watching exercise videos and procrastinating yourself that no, I will do this thing um, tomorrow only, tomorrow, and only consuming the exercise videos and saving those in your YouTube shorts, or maybe in Instagram reels you are saving those and not exercising even a bit. It's like seriously procrastinating yourself and pulling yourself back that no, it's okay, we will do. But no, you have to do it small, you have to do it in a small way, and you have to take those small actions, then only it will become a part of your schedule. That's when I realized discipline is always built through small actions, not with the big actions and doing the thing in whole one day. But you always have to put small efforts to do those things, and then only you will get the big outcome, or whatever you would say. And when the thing becomes your habit, you will stop expecting, and then one day you will realize that you really did that thing make into work. So yeah, discipline didn't work for me earlier, but when I really made it simple, it really worked out for me. Just one habit at a time, one small action, one small progress, one small promise to yourself that you would really do that, and you will surely do that. And that's where discipline really changed me a lot. If you want me to share how I chose my first habit, how I stay consistent, although when it feels unperfect to me, or although it feels that I am not doing it perfect, how to stay consistent into that, then let me know if you want a part 2 of this video. Okay, and we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye bye. Bye.